Cats often do not drink enough water, which can lead to health problems. Many cats get most of their water from food, so it is important to help them drink more. There are simple tips to make your cat drink water. Always give your cat fresh water every day to encourage drinking. Cats like clean water and may avoid it if it smells old or stale. Change the water at least once daily and wash the bowl often. Fresh water helps keep your cat healthy, hydrated, active, and supports good overall body function. Using the right bowl helps make your cat more comfortable while drinking water. This bowl helps keep water clean and available at all times. It prevents water from tipping over or splashing, even if your cat plays with the bowl. This keeps the drinking area dry and mess-free. With water always in place, your cat can drink easily and stay well hydrated. Choose a wide and shallow bowl to make drinking more comfortable for your cat. Narrow or deep bowls can touch your cat's whiskers and cause discomfort. A wide bowl allows your cat to drink freely without stress. When your cat feels comfortable, it will drink more water and stay healthy. A cat water fountain is a great way to encourage your cat to drink more water. Cats are naturally attracted to moving water, which feels fresher and safer to them. The flowing water stays cleaner longer and is more interesting than a still bowl. Using a fountain can help keep your cat hydrated, healthy, and happy every day. Put water in more than one place around your home to encourage your cat to drink more. Having several water bowls makes water easy to find at any time. Cats may drink more when they discover water in different spots. This simple step helps keep your cat well hydrated and healthy. Washing your cat's water bowl with soapy water regularly keeps it clean and safe for drinking. Dirty bowls can hold bacteria and odors that may stop your cat from drinking. Using warm, mild soap and rinsing thoroughly ensures no residue remains. A clean bowl encourages your cat to drink more water and stay healthy and hydrated. Keep your cat's water bowl away from food and the litter box. Cats naturally avoid drinking water near eating or toilet areas. Placing water in a quiet and clean spot helps your cat feel safe. When cats feel comfortable, they are more likely to drink enough water. Adding wet food to your cat's diet is an easy way to increase their water intake. Wet food contains much more moisture than dry food, helping keep your cat hydrated. It can also be tastier and more appealing, encouraging your cat to eat and drink more. Including wet food regularly supports overall health and proper kidney function. So, by applying these tips, you can help your cat drink more water and stay healthy.